Zen Master, sitting in stillness. Today, my dear students, I present to you a koan, a gateless gate to enlightenment. Meditate on this question. What is the sound of one hand clapping? The students ponder the koan, their faces reflecting deep concentration and curiosity. Student 1, raising a hand. Master, how can there be a sound without two hands clapping? Zen Master. You seek logic where there is none. This koan is not meant to be understood through ordinary thinking. It is a paradox, a doorway beyond the confines of rationality. Student 2, frowning. But Master, if there is no sound, how can one respond? Zen Master nods. Precisely. The purpose of this koan is not to elicit a verbal response, but to go beyond words, beyond the limitations of the conceptual mind. Student 3, curious. Master, how can we find the answer? Zen Master, smile. The answer lies not in intellectual analysis, but in direct insight. Dive deep into the question, let it penetrate your being, and dissolve the boundaries of the self. The students contemplate the koan, their faces reflecting a mixture of anticipation, frustration, and curiosity. Student 4, what if we never find the answer? Master. Zen Master. The answer is not something to be found, it is something to be realized. Let go of the need to grasp and achieve. Allow the question to work its magic on your consciousness. Silence envelops the room as the students immerse themselves in silent meditation, their minds reaching beyond ordinary thinking. The students slowly open their eyes, a sense of wonder and stillness permeating the room. Student 5, with a serene smile. Master, I cannot describe the sound, but I have heard it. It is the sound of pure existence, unbound by duality. Zen Master nods, filled with contentment. Well done, dear student. You have touched the realm of direct insight, transcending the limitations of conceptual understanding. The students exchange knowing glances, their hearts filled with a profound sense of awakening. The story highlights the significance of looking within ourselves for answers and insights. We all have an innate wisdom that can guide us if we learn to trust it. By cultivating self-reflection, introspection, and meditation, we can access this inner wisdom and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of motivated individuals.